What up, friends? What it is, what it was, what it will be, what it could have been, but it ain't. Nope, we are, what's the saying? We are unburdened by what has been. I don't know about you, but I am well burdened by what has been. That's just the natural way of life. You can't go through life and be unburdened by everything that you've experienced in the past. What a strange philosophy that would be. Oh, well, in an event, we're going to listen to Miss Angelina Jordan today. This was a recommendation that was sent to me by a very nice gentleman. She's singing Like a River Flow is the name of it. And she's singing it in Japanese, which is interesting, to say the least. To say the least, interesting. But before we jump into this, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Ring ding ding the bell so you get notifications every time I post a video. If you would, please. I appreciate it. I really would. I truly do appreciate you guys listening. All right, with that said, here we go. Let's get into it. Nice little crowd. Looks like this was a long time ago. Look at the size of her. Well, there you go. Wow. Of course, you can't understand a word because I don't speak Japanese, but she sounded beautiful. I love the sound of the bass thumping back there in the background. I was kind of digging into the bass sound there for a bit. Simple, classic trio, you know, the percussionist, the guitarist, the bass player. Boy, you can do so much music with that combination. And her up there just singing along, of course, barefoot, as she prefers. You know, once again, beautiful girl singing a beautiful song. What more can we ask for in life? Angelina never disappoints. She always puts on a beautiful song, full of emotion, full of love, and that's just who she is, you know. And we've come to expect and understand that with her. And frankly, you know, it's a bit of what's the word I'm looking for? Sanctuary, if you will. There's a little sanctuary part of our day to just be able to kick back and listen to something pretty and nice and good and kind of shield us from all the garbage going on in the world these days. Tell you, I'm very worried about the world. I think we are in a modern day dark ages with the lack of communication amongst people, the refusal to accept or understand any other perspective but their own, breakdown in our society. You know, I mean, look what's going on in Washington, D.C. These protesters would rather have crime than have Trump do something about crime. I mean, it just boggles my mind. You know, just boggles my mind. So that's what I'm talking about when I think that we're coming into a dark age. And I love having opportunities like this with listening to Angelina sing a simple song, just to be able to get away from all of that nonsense. This is the catalyst. This is the match strike lighting the way for us to get back into a new renaissance. And I truly think that a lot of these young singers that we have coming up today are going to be the core of that new renaissance. And man, I am looking forward to it. I don't know about you, but I am. So anyhow, that's kind of getting deep and philosophical, but I love this. This is just beautiful. Thanks for letting me listen to it, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed listening along. Get in the comment section, give me your thoughts. I'd appreciate it.